Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I'll tell you about the top high-powered drones of all time. You are watching Quaint Tech HD and now let's get in this video. Drone technology has been used by defense organizations and tech-savvy consumers for quite some time. However, the benefits of this technology extends well beyond just these sectors. With the rising accessibility of drones, many of the most dangerous and high-paying jobs within the commercial sector are ripe for displacement by drone technology. And as autonomy and collision avoidance technologies improve, so too will drones' ability to perform increasingly complex tasks. Number 8. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is one of the most popular camera drones from DJI. With a professional-grade camera from Swedish camera manufacturer Hasselblad, the 1-inch CMOS sensor Hasselblad camera offers 20-megapixel photography with enhanced HDR and color sensitivity. A new feature debut to come along with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It can sense obstacles from 5 directions. Plus, it's equipped with upgraded versions of active track, waypoint, and point of interest modes, so professional photographers and videographers never have to place a cap on their creativity. The Mavic 2 Pro is great for professional photographers, videographers, and content creators. It's also portable. Number 7. FreeFly Alta 8. The FreeFly Alta 8 drone is an octo-rotor configuration designed for aerial cinematography. It is truly an engineering marvel with the ability to carry up to 20-pound payload on either the top or bottom of the drone. Foldable carbon fiber propeller arms, propellers, and FreeFly's quick-release gimbal system ensures simple setup and increased portability. Its weather-resistant plastic enclosure will be appreciated by aerial cinematographers who film in a multitude of climates. Flying a large drone does not need to be complicated. Fly with ease with FreeFly's industry-leading Synapse flight controller. Readings from accelerometers, barometer, and advanced GPS are blended to hold altitude, which allows the operator to focus on getting a stunning shot. Number 6. Flyability Aloyus 2. Flyability changed the way drones can be used with the original Aloyus that was designed for indoor inspections. With the Flyability Aloyus 2, the company has built upon the success and created their most advanced drone to date. Its unique configuration features a spherical cage that encases the entire payload. Its overall dimensions are just under 40 centimeters. It'll fit into just about any space. The robust transmission system works beyond line of sight, which means concrete walls, steel structures, and other obstacles. During certain inspections, such as those that take place in tight spaces like boiler rooms or nuclear reactors, collisions are unavoidable. These are also spaces where in-person inspections can be extremely dangerous. The Aloyus 2 was created to make these types of inspections safer for people by removing the need for a person to physically review a tight, dangerous space. A dual sensor consisting of a thermal and 4K camera can identify even the smallest cracks. Number 5. SenseFly EB Classic. The SenseFly EB Classic is a fixed-wing drone that is fully autonomous and is designed to capture high-resolution aerial images for mapping and 3D modeling. No piloting skills are needed for this one. Simply throw the drone and it will follow a pre-planned flight plan. Fixed-wing aircraft are ideal for large mapping jobs due to the efficient aerodynamic properties of this configuration. The EB can cover 4.6 meters within one planned flight, making it a very efficient option for aerial mapping. It only weighs 1.5 pounds and includes the RGB camera, batteries, radio modem, and the SenseFly Emotion software. The Emotion software is loaded with advanced flight control features and mapping parameters, but is designed with a user-friendly interface that is great for beginners. Number 4. Parrot Anafi. With the Anafi 4K portable drone from Parrot, you can always have the ability to take stunning aerial videos and pictures. The ultra-compact and portable Anafi weighs a little over 11 OZ and can fit into a backpack. It's designed to unfold and start flying in less than 3 seconds. Once in the air, Anafi can take stunning 4K videos with 100 MB bits rate and 21 megapixel HDR enhanced still photos. Anafi features 3-axis image stabilization to help keep all your footage and pictures stable and clear. Number 3. Eachine E52. The Eachine E52 drone is a budget and pocket-friendly drone aimed for novice pilots and beginners. Eachine's new E52 quadcopter brings lots of upgrades over the previous model. The Eachine E50, its compact design and foldable arms make it easy to transport. Like previous models, the E52 comes with a brush motors and a physical transmitter. The drone can be operated via a dedicated radio control or via an Android iOS enabled smartphone. Number 2. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is a top-of-the-line drone that has become a favorite among aerial cinematographers who are looking for Hollywood camera quality in a relatively small package. Its sleek design, intelligent sensors, and premium materials make this a great platform for cinematography. Its solid construction features a magnesium aluminum composite shell and carbon fiber arms that lift to provide an unparalleled 360 view. The Inspire 2 was built with filmmakers in mind, but its advanced camera sensors and Cinecore 2.0 image processing system makes it ideal for anyone who wants that perfect cinematic shot. The 2-axis FPV camera allows drone pilots to see what's ahead while simultaneously recording with the main camera in the opposite direction. There are simply too many features to list them all, but this drone will handle anything thrown its way. Number 1. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The DJI Phantom series has produced some of the most capable and recognizable drones on the market. The original Phantom 1 was a revolutionary aircraft that put DJI and prosumer drones on the map. Phantom 4 Pro has collectively built on the series' success and continues to be used for photography, filmmaking, inspections, and various other applications. It features a professional grade A 1-inch CMOS sensor that can record in 4K video resolution and 20 megapixel still photos. Its mechanical shutter makes this model a rarity and highly sought after for aerial inspections and mapping. Advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing makes it even easier to capture that picture-perfect shot without compromising the safety of the operation. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do you guys own a drone that's on the list? If not, do you want to own one of these? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.